so sexy.
Leave call,
So
leave
sexy
call.
that you want to clap.
Hello guys and welcome back, welcome to Monkey in Backrooms. Monkey in Backrooms, that's what it's called. And what we're doing is we're playing with Psycho.
Alright guys, today
blinded.
we're going to be checking out a new game that's called
Shut the
Monkey in
freak up!
Backrooms.
I'm the YouTuber
I
here.
my name.
Cause I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest monkey, I'm the biggest monkey, I'm the biggest monkey. Psycho, I can't hear you. Oh, you got kicked? Yeah.
Stupid! Yo, daddy!
Ah! What the freak? What the freak? What the?
Everyone right now shout and then we'll have a chance.
Psycho? Psycho! Psycho, wait up! Psycho!
Sorry everyone that's out there! But
Follow me, follow me, follow me.
I can't hear you.
Wow. Wow. Psycho.
Go! Guys, move!
Psycho, follow me!
Go, just go.
Come on, Psycho. Where are you? Where are you? Over here, come on, come on.
Caught in 4K. Who's lagging? Who's lagging? We gotta find the
I'm the fastest bird, 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 I'm the fastest bird.
Go, 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 go! Run, 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 run! Run, 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 run!
Psycho! Where are you? Psycho! Psycho, where are you? Psycho! Psycho! Bro, we both got cooked. Come on, come on.
Hello guys! You're ugly. You're so ugly.
Follow me.
3.
No, Psycho!
Somebody's trying to climb me!
Psycho, I'm right here.
Live stream! I'm doing a live stream! I never ever went this way before.
I'm following you.
No, where's the live stream?
Bro,
Guys,
you don't have to wait up, okay? Until I tell you.
I'm just looking around. Can you hear me? Can anybody hear my mic? Can anybody hear my mic? Raise your hand if you can.
Yeah, definitely get Monkey in the Backrooms. Chat, get Monkey in the Backrooms.
Bro, can you hear
Yeah, I can hear you. You're in my video, by the way.
This game is very funny. It has literally doing a live stream right now.
Video.
Sometimes it says that if you see this, you're a beta.
Hold on, wait, hold on, stay here. We stay here, we safe. We say, stay here in this corner. Come to the corner. Booga ooga, booga ooga, ooga ooga. Okay, we must do the ritual.
Oh yeah, I understand.
Ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga. I'm the biggest monkey. I'm the biggest monkey. I'm the big monkey.
Oh, dang it. We're not here.
Why is wall running so easy in this game? Wait, oh.
It's not the exit.
Finally! I finally found something other than that.
Huh? Woo.
Okay, awesome. Keep on going.
I finally found this area. I look at this area for a while. See the guys?
I'm a penguin.
Where are they running from?
I'm a penguin.
Nothing.
penguin.
It's not here anymore.
Bro, look at my hands.
Come on.
Look at my hands.
Look at this one hand run.
I bet you lost, but
How did it know? That must mean we're close.
yeah, totally.
Which way should I go? I'm not
This
ready to go. This way? Okay, we're going this way then. We want to go.
Oh, by the way, check out my new video. Oh, I'll leave a link for his YouTube channel in the description. You should definitely check it out and subscribe to him because he's my best friend. He was the creature in that one sale video. Different color. Bonk, bonk. I'm the big. Did he tell him?
I love it. Keep on going.
They made it? I'm the biggest No, you did not make it, actually. This isn't it. This is not it. This is just a random room they used to fool you. Actually, the exit is under the map.
I've never seen this.
Totally.
No, it isn't. Golly. Come here. I've never ever went this way before.
Bro, we can't funny run in this. Besides this.
Oh, I see that one-handed. No, we came back to our spot. Wait, come here.
Different light. Even more.
The lights are all the same.
No, different. No, different like light.
Oh. No, not a beta. If you see this, you are.
If you see this part of the video, you're Sigma. You are unbeta if somebody called you a beta, and so am I, cause I'm a Chaosian and I'm the leader of the Chaosians.
Alpha, we're the Chaosians. And I'm part of the Mayo.
Different light. Hold on. What if I like? Oh, dang it! You can't. Oh my God! I was out of the map. Oh, bro.
How did you do that?
I'm Bro. All I had to do was hold the home button as it repositioned my looking point, which was basically the back to spawn is literally that way.
I keep directions. I don't have a good memory. Run!
No! Aiden! Psycho! Aiden, psycho! Aiden, psycho! Where are you? Aiden, psycho! Aiden, psycho! I found the way out! No. Psycho! Psycho! Arf, arf. Psycho! We reunite! Monkeys reunite! Alright, I'll show you the exit. Hold on. Oh, wait, wrong way. It was like a little... We died. You died in here. No. Huh? Where are you? Hold on, wait, I'm lost now. I tried to find you. You're... Bro. Psycho? Psycho! Psycho? I know. Aiden, no. Yeah? Where are you? I'm searching the pile of munkers.
I found the beginning. I didn't die. I found the beginning.
I found the end.
That's what you guys were trying to lock me out. This guy tried to lock me out.
Psycho! Psycho? That's a child. Never mind. Psycho!
Guys, I figured out how to fly.
Really?
I figured out flight.
How did you do that?
Yo, escape.
I'm not tasty.
Bro is clearly tasty. Blood is clearly tasty.
Come.
I'm the biggest. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Psycho. Are we infinitely dying? Yeah, y'all are cooked. That's why there's a door.
Did you pray the Lord?
Yeah, I did. That means I'm invincible.
Hey, cheesy. Hey, cheesy. Hey, cheesy.
Psycho!
Hey, you. Hey, you.
I know you. Where'd he go? Man, what kind of get out there? I hate you. Die!
Psycho! Psycho! Booga.
I don't know. Top of them on it.
Are you blinded?
Patty cake, baby.
That's crazy. Harpy hair, where have you buried all your children? Told me, so I say I sharted on your grandma.
I hear it.
Are we cooked?
I hear him.
Are we cooked?
I feel like it. No, wait.
We're at the same spot.
Yeah, bro, I think we're cooked. Where have we not went? We went everywhere.
We must find exit to infinity and beyond. No, found it.
That's a safe part. I feel like that is a safe part. So you can go in and the monkeys can get you.
I know I look tasty, but we can tell he's right, like pristine gentleman. Hey,
Yeah, hiding.
Yeah, he.
We're not cooked. Mr. Krabs is running. Mr. Krabs!
Hello.
Did Aiden die?
No, never again.
Psycho! Woo. Mine. Psycho! Psycho! Guys, I found the way out! I found the way out! No!
No? Then don't flat my yacht. I just want to be friends.
Psycho! I found the way out! Psycho, I found the way out! No! I found the way out!
Wait, don't close it.
I totally found the way out! No! Psycho? Psycho? No. Psycho? Psycho?
Clutch that! I think it's clutch. Yes, I think I found the exit.
Woo. Okay, take us.
Go, go, go.
Lead us to victory.
That goes over. No, wait, Mom. And then
Yeah? Huh?
It was like some passageway, and then it had a slope where it was go. Whoop.
I saw it too.
I don't know if that was the exit, but I think it was.
Yeah, I know. No, it wasn't the exit, but I know where it is. Zog is not making it out of the back
Making
rooms.
it out of the back room.
Bro, is there an exit? We searched every. No! Who knows?
What is this?
Is there an exit?
No. Pause.
Booga?
Chaos, come in here. I have to plug in my headset. Oops, wrong way. Ooh. Not it. Here it is. You know, honestly, I forgot I was recording. But this is going to be the best video I've ever posted. Something that's... Oh, that scared me. The wall scared me. Maybe, search it up. Search it up like time table.
Nah. We're over there is spawn. Hold on, which way is spawn? Over there.
Go to spawn, and I'm just gonna search up the tutorial. No, I'm using
No! You can get copyright. I found the exit.
for the next 5 hours.
Bonk. I'm kidding.
Y'all get up there.
Yeah, we definitely have a problem. New problem unlocked.
Bro, jump up here.
You can't get me. Yeah. Na 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 na, you can't get me. Na na na.
Get you. Together again. No! You watch me do what? Yo, I can jump over this bridge. Bro, I can jump over this bridge. Yeah, I can jump over this bridge. Go back, troopers! Go back!
You are now dead. Psycho! I'm coming back. I know the exact route. Totally. Psycho!
Hi, buddy. You
You
need a hand?
need a hand.
I need a hand.
You need a hand.
You need a hand?
You need a hand.
I want to try and jump over the bridge.
Boing. Na 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 boo boo. You can't catch me because I'm. Put my phone up too fast. Not too fast. Let me go to check. Then I'm gone. You can't get me here. I am in room. I am in room. I repeat.
Well, no, duh.
Boing.
It is really funny.
Yo, watch this.
Ah! Why did my head touch the ceiling?
You don't
Well,
even touch the bridge. You just jump right over it.
Oh my god.
Don't even touch the bridge, just jump right over it.
Nope, I did not get enough speed.
Bro, I had enough speed.
You watch me run.
Nope, I didn't jump.
But we have too much momentum that we don't have enough vertical. Monster?
We have too much.
Monster!
Monster Herbals! Oh my god, monster!
That made me.
Wow, that was really cool. Yeah! Oh, you better choose it! I thought there's a monster. What do you mean?
Oh my god, equal snap. 360.
Skirt!
Just compression!
Equal snap, 360 direction.
I died to it.
I know where the whole thing is.
And that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you didn't enjoy. I'm kidding. I hope you very much enjoyed the video. And subscribe or your grandma gets started on.